What are you doing? Show us your funny face. Ron, what were you doing with their eyes? What is that? Sit down, please, Gwen. Show me one more time, Riley. What do you do with your eyes? Ooh. Show me a silly face. Show me a happy face. Try to smile. Bless you. Oh, goodness. You okay? Rowan, how do you smile? Ooh, ooh, yeah, girl. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Look at my jig.
Your jig? Let's see it. What do you call that jig?
A Toodle Google.
The Toodle Google jig?
Oh,
Okay, what breakfast are you eating right now?
yogurt.
And?
And granola and crackers.
Yogurt, granola, and crackers. Can you go sit down and finish it, please?
Yes.